Hey, I am Muhammad Kamaluddin. Welcome all of you with the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum. May peace, mercy, and blessings of the Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on all of you. Today, we would like to discuss about the capital budget of corporate financial management. Firstly, I would like to thanks to my teacher, Mr. Muhammad Manwar Hussain, FCA, CPA, FCMA, FCS, and a lot of degrees achieved by Manwar sir. And another, I would like to thanks my teacher, Uttam Shah. He is also an FCA and FCS. And I have learned corporate financial management from both the guys. Why we would like to learn capital budgeting? Obviously, there have a reason. Without capital budgeting, actually, we don't do anything. Before investment, every investor have to analyze which project is preferable to him. That's why capital budget is very, very important for the investor and for the knowledge seeker also. That is not only for exam purpose or education purpose, but it is very important for practical life, for investment purpose. Today, we are going to know what is payback period, what is net present value, what is present value, what is cash flow, what is depreciation, what is internal rate of return, what is cumulative present value. Everything is very simple if we invest our knowledge for only 10 minutes. Okay, come on. What is present value or payback period? Present value is very simple. If we invest 100 taka today, what will be the present value after 1 year? How can we calculate this? Obviously, if we consider a investment is 1 lakh and cost of the capital is 10%, then in the year of 1, cash flow is 1 lakh and discounting factor, that is 10% cost of capital, which is a discounting factor is equal to 1.1 divided equal to delay as 0.909. এই ডিসকাউন্টিং ফ্যাক্টর দিয়ে যদি আমি 1 লাখকে মাল্টিপ্লাই করি তাহলে আমার যে রেজাল্ট বের হবে এটা হলো আমার প্রেজেন্ট ভ্যালু। এই প্রেজেন্ট ভ্যালু থেকে আমি যদি ইনিশিয়াল ইনভেস্টমেন্ট 1 লাখ টাকা লেস করি তাহলে আমার নেট প্রেজেন্ট ভ্যালু বের হয়ে যাচ্ছে। If the net present value is positive, then obviously investor will agree to pick the project because of he will see that the project or the investment is good or very positive. If the negative, then obviously no investor will be interested to invest their money to this project. At the same time, investor will know the internal rate of return. What is the internal rate of return? Internal rate of return is calculated by present value, net present value, and positive net present value and negative net present value. Positive present value and negative net present value. এই পজিটিভ প্রেজেন্ট ভ্যালু এবং নেগেটিভ প্রেজেন্ট ভ্যালুর যে লোয়ার রেট আছে এটার সাথে লোয়ার রেটের সাথে প্লাস করব আমি পজিটিভ ভ্যালু অফ নেট প্রেজেন্ট ভ্যালু ডিভাইডেড বাই পজিটিভ ভ্যালু অফ নেট প্রেজেন্ট ভ্যালু মাইনাস নেগেটিভ ভ্যালু অফ net present value into or multiply higher rate minus lower rate. All of this figure will be percentage. Then it is very easy to calculate the net internal rate of return. So it is very clear to us how can we calculate present value, discounting factor, net present value, cash flow, depreciation, internal rate of return. All are easy to understand. So if you have any question regarding capital subject of corporate financial management, you may ask me directly in this page or you may inbox me. Thank you all. Have a good day.